effort. Free quick SSLs with Let's Encrypt. I think most of you must already be aware of Let's Encrypt, but I will explain quickly. Let's Encrypt is an organization which offers free SSL. So as you must have seen, everything we have shown you, all the servers we have shown you are encrypted using SSL. Even the development environments are HTTPS, which looks professional to your client, and so it does not cost us anything. In fact, so if you see the certificate in details, you see that. Okay, since I have this antivirus installed in my machine, it shows this Bitdefender Personal CA, but the actual certificate is of Let's Encrypt, right? So how to get Let's Encrypt certificate is very easy. If you are using Nginx or Apache or any server, you can use certbot to actually install the SSL. It's even easier than using a BIDE, like a normal SSL which you buy from GoDaddy or from any other SSL um, company like Komodo or maybe any other. So you can go to certbot, and it's very simple. You can select your web server, you can select your operating system, right? It will show you a list of commands. You just follow and you're done. It looks too much, but it's a one-time configuration. It's very easy actually. So after you install all this stuff, the only thing which you need to do is this one. Once you type this command, so we use Nginx for most of our servers. So once we type this command, you will simply, it will ask you a few questions like which domain. It will automatically fetch the domains you have installed. It will ask you which domain do you want to install the certificate on. You just select 1, 2, 3, 4 which domain, and then it will ask you if you want to redirect the non-HTTP users, non-HTTPS users to HTTPS. You can say yes or no. If you say yes, then people who are not entering HTTPS will automatically be converted to HTTPS. And if you say no, then you have to manually type HTTPS in the browser, else you remain HTTP. It will automatically change your configuration, Nginx configuration file to reflect the changes, and within 2 minutes you are done. The only thing you need to take care of is uh, it validates the domain which you are using is pointing to the same IP where you are hosting or not. So if you are using something like Cloudflare in between, so you should not proxy your request or maybe not use a load balancer while creating the certificate. So it easily creates the certificate, and the one thing um, which is a drawback of Let's Encrypt is that certificate validity is of 3 months, not an year. But again, the certbot takes care of it automatically. So before it expires, it automatically renews the certificate, so you don't have to worry for that as well. So using this, maybe if you have 10-20 servers, I guess you can easily save a lot of money using free SSL, and it does not practically make any difference. Your website shows secure fully, and the certificate is good enough. So this is for using free quick SSL with Let's Encrypt for around 10 development sites plus around 10 production sites. It would save you, I guess, the price of an SSL certificate. We'll quickly see. Yeah, if you're using wildcard SSL, then maybe for your all your subdomains you can use a single SSL. But yeah, it's something around $40 for one. So for development environment, I guess you only take one SSL, which is $40, and for production environments you take 10, which is maybe something around $400. So you can save a whopping on an average 300. It shows 440 here, but I would take 300 a month on an average for a company on SSL certificate. Okay, no, this is not per month, this is per year. I'm sorry. So it comes to around $25 or $30 a month. You can save you on SSL certificates.